Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my August Sacred Space crate. I'm so excited. I have managed to avoid spoilers for... Ooh. Oh, Lord. I can't figure out how to cut this. Okay, there we go. I don't got the knife for some reason. I think my husband took it with him, or I misplaced it. Anyway, let's check this out. Am I doing this? Oh, I got it upside down, guys. I got it upside down. Good Lord, I'm in rare shape today, guys. All right, let's see what beauty we have in here. I'm so excited. Oh, Hecate. So I'll read this last. And I got this via email some time ago. Because if the box is going to be delayed at all, she will send it to you in advance, which is very thoughtful. Very thoughtful. Oh my god, a black envelope! I love black envelopes. Oh, I'm effing it up. Sorry. I wish I wasn't messing up. Invocation of Hecate, Queen of Witchcraft. Using the energy of the moon. Lunar phases. I love these little BOS pages. Hecate's wheel. Very, very, very cool. Smells delicious, by the way. These beautiful glittery incense sticks. They smell so cinnamony. Oh my god. Hail to the Witch Mother, guide of the crossroad. She who guards the gates and of the mysteries, mighty queen, beckoning us to return to the place of our origin. Wow. This is a Crossroads Spellcrafted soy candle. Beautiful. Oh my god. It's got a little wooden wick and a beautiful little key. Oh, and it smells fresh. It smells fresh. Alright, let's hold that here. A key. I love keys. I love keys. I love it. Revenge powder. Warning, use as a last resort only. Oh my god, let me give it a little smell. Ooh, it smells spicy. Ooh, girl. We are wilding out this month. Get him, Melissa. Hex Breaker. Nice. You smell it. Ooh, it smells good. I like it. Ooh, we got a beautiful bag with a little pentacle. What's in here? Probably something magic. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Oh, wow. So cool. Love that. Love it. I love it. So far, this box is like, well, I love all of her boxes, so it's hitting it out of the park for me, but Hecate anointing ritual oil. We've got goodies floating in there, and it's sealed. I'm gonna unseal it because I gotta smell it. I always smell all the things. Ooh, it smells not what I expected. It's kind of sweet. Witch's salve. I save all of her salves. They're my favorite part of the box. Doesn't smell like anything. Alright. Alright. We've got a stone here. not sure what I'm looking at. Maybe Rainbow Moonstone? I don't know. We'll see. And then this little beauty. Oh, beautiful. It's like a Hecate wheel. A little bed of moss. Love it. All right. So I think I have seen spoilers of what this is going to be, but I don't know. But let's go. Oh my gosh. I almost dropped it. Oh man. Clumsy for the win, guys. What an oaf. Oh my gosh. Now I'm discombobulated. Okay. Okay. So I've got a stand. And... oh. Beautiful. I have seen a spoiler of this. It's beautiful. So it looks like a maiden mother crone. It's a plaque. Lovely. So we'll just prop that right here and we'll do a little reading and let's see what we see. Hecate is a goddess of witchcraft and necromancy, goddess of the crossroads, keeper of the keys, goddess of the moon, the triple goddess, goddess of night, and the queen of torches. She has many powers and titles, and rightfully so. Hecate has been linked to dark magic, but Hecate magic is just magic. Hecate is an exceptionally powerful spirit. The theogony of Hesiod describes Hecate as honored by Zeus above all others. Hecate once served as a messenger for the other deities. She stole Hera's beauty salve to give to her rival Europa. Hera, enraged, pursued Hecate, who fled first to the bed of a woman in childbirth, then to a funeral procession, and finally to Lake Archeron and Hades, where she was cleansed by the Caviari. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Hecate emerged more powerful than ever. Pardon me, guys. A goddess of birth, death, and purification. She rules passages between realms of life and death, and is thus invoked by Necromancer. So, there's a lot more, but I'm just going to talk about the items. So, skeleton key. Symbolism of skeleton key exists in its ability to open all doors, allowing passages into places that exist beyond locked barriers. Keys represent knowledge and access, and it's important to note that they can both open doors and lock doors. Possessing a key is both about gaining access and setting boundaries. Hecate owns the ultimate skeleton key, the key that unlocks the gates to all realms. Use this key in any way that empowers you, but it helps to consecrate and evoke magic and all your magical tools and talismans before using. I love this. I really love keys. If you love keys, I would definitely advise you to check out Lock and Key. I mean, do they make some stupid choices? Yeah, but the premise, and it's really, really, really fucking cool. So, Hecate Triple Goddess Wall Plaque. I wanted to include something very special in this box that would represent the triple goddess in all of us. I feel that this depiction of Hecate helps us relate to who she is and that she understands the different stages in our lives because she is all of them as well. I hope that you can draw power from this image. Yes, beautiful. Hecate Bone Prayer Beads. I love these. These are very cool. These prayer beads are made from the bones of a yak that died of natural causes. A pentacle charm was added to invoke the elements and for protection during your prayer or meditation. When creating your own goddess prayer beads, you need to use beads that represent your goddess. Hecate guided me to using bone for hers. The bones were sculpted into little skulls, making a gorgeous and powerful set of beads. The black velvet pentacle bag is included for protection from outside energies. This bag can be used for protecting your tarot cards as well. Consecrate your beads and set them on an altar to charge. Also, charging them in the new moon will help them connect with Hecate. I love that. I love that, Melissa. I love it. The Crossroads Candle. Love this too. I love these kind of wicks. And I love the little key and I love all the stuff on top. The crossroads is a point where the three roads meet, a place where the veil is thin and the threshold to the other side appears, a place of undeniable power. The magic of the crossroads can be seen in various aspects of the craft. So I'm just trying to see what So I spellcrafted these days over 3 days of the dark moon using 100% soy wax. There's a skeleton key, crossroad dirt, black obsidian and black onyx, a moonstone chip, and essence of fresh cut grass and night air. That's really cool. Hecate's wheel necklace. Okay. A rainbow moonstone. Hey, I was correct. Sometimes known as white labradorite. Has inclusions of black tourmaline. Connects us to divine inspiration and channels it into our own intuition. Revenge powder. It's an old family recipe, and to be honest, I have never used it or had the need to use it, but I have witnessed it used, and believe me, it's extremely powerful when used correctly. This powder will curse someone by sending hail, fire, and damnation to them, but since ethically I don't believe in cursing another human, I will not share this spell with you at this time. But what this will work just as dramatically for is rebounding a curse placed on you. But not only will it rebound it, but bring it back 10 times worse. That's why I added a warning label. So she's not going to put the ingredients, and I'm not going to keep talking about it. It's for emergencies only, and I will keep it forever. Hex Breaker Spray, based on the old tradition of conjure blend. I love the Hecate, but I also get the hoodoo vibes, and I'm loving it. So it has frankincense, myrrh, black pepper, dragon's blood, sage, and sandalwood. Let it soak for a full moon cycle in the refrigerator or cooler. Add a broken mandrake root 3 days before the new moon. Remove it at the new moon. And we have the Hecate ritual oil. The witch's salve. It's a true simum, draws poison, stingers, and infections. Check with your physician before using it. Magic incense, which is like ginger, peppercorn, cinnamon bark, cloves, and vanilla sugar. And the Grimoire pages and the moon pages. So, love it. Love everything about this. I'm going to leave the information in the description below. Check it out. This is a great box. Love you guys. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you soon.